Israel has issued evacuation orders for Area 18 in Tehran, ahead of an expected bombing. Israeli forces claim responsibility for a strike on the Tehran region. Explosions were heard early Wednesday morning across several districts of the Iranian capital, according to regional media sources. These reports came just hours after Iran launched dozens of missiles toward Israeli territory in a new escalation. Meanwhile, air defenses in the northeastern city of Mashhad are reportedly intercepting Israeli offensives. Tensions are reaching critical levels between Iran and Israel, with both sides escalating their military responses. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.